Hello guys, today we'll be talking about a free traffic source that just discovered. I used this in the past, but right now I just test this method out. So I want you to join me in this journey to see this traffic source. But I think it works very well for e-business and e-marketing. So we're gonna choose a product in Clickbank, a product of e-marketing and e-business. We're gonna see which product convert better, and this product will be the product that we're gonna use. So let's say for gravity, because this is a sign, this is a good sign for us because we want something that people are buying right now. Okay, so this is the example. We're gonna choose one of these product right here, and we're gonna try them. So the product that I want to try will be this one, the 12 minutes affiliate system hot offer. This is the product that we're gonna use, we're gonna try. So uh, this product, the initial sale will be $15, but you can make an average of $107 for this. So what will be the method that we're gonna use, or the traffic source? We're gonna use Pinterest. So you can say why you say Pinterest. Everyone knows about Pinterest, but not the way I'm gonna show you guys, because I used to get some good results from Pinterest. The method that I'm gonna show you will blow your mind and will show you a way that you never hear people talking about. So I use this and I drive a lot of traffic from Pinterest for my affiliate offers. So stay with me in this video to see how I'm going to use Pinterest to drive a lot of traffic, because Pinterest, as you can know, like me, this is a comparison website. I can say it is a comparison website. A lot of people come to Pinterest before taking the last decision. Sometimes even for affiliate marketing, a lot of people come to Pinterest to have this type of comparison. So if I go to Pinterest, you can see for the past month I have 8,000 views. For only 200 followers that I have 9,000, excuse me, 9,000 viewers, active viewers who watch everything that I post. So how I use Pinterest? If you type in Pinterest things like make money online, affiliate marketing, you're gonna see bunch of result, and you're gonna see bunch of pin related to this type of thing. So you can see I type and search make money online. You can see a lot of people create great pin for Pinterest. So you can create this type of pin and you insert your link on this pin. You can see all these pin have affiliate links will drive you to a blog post or maybe to an affiliate offer. For most of the time they drive you to a blog post. Let's say an example for this one, if I click on this, let's say I just click to this pin from Pinterest, you can see it's gonna drive me to the program of John Christiani. Someone write an article about this. So when people come right here, they're gonna read about the program. They're gonna need to read every good and pros and cons about the program, and there are a lot of affiliate links that gonna drive them to the sales page or to the webinar of John Christian. You can see if you click right here, you're gonna go to the affiliate system. This is the affiliate ID, the clickbank ID of these people who put this link on Pinterest. So how they drive traffic, you can say, so just click a pin doesn't mean I'm gonna get traffic. So let me show you very quickly how they use this tool, this thing to drive traffic. You can see these people has more than 35 comments from people who comment about the post. So those are people who are engaged with what they post. So let me give you an example. You see you have this pins. Let me go back and show you how you will use this. You have to create what I call a board. If you already have a board, you can create board, and the board that you create will you will create board related to make money online or affiliate marketing. So you're gonna come when you type make money online, you're gonna see bunch of other people post or other people pins. You're gonna save those pins to your board. My board is affiliate marketing. You see, this is my affiliate marketing. This is my board. So before I can do this for you, one thing I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the analytics for affiliate for my bots, so you can see how they perform, and you can see a quick overview of how I perform for the past 30 days. You can see I have 13,000 impressions, so that means 13,000 people in the past 30 days have seen my pins on Pinterest. So this is why I'm gonna show you how I do this. You can see I have a total of 9,000, almost 10,000 audience people who are waiting for my content, and I have this type of engagement. And if I just filter by like clicks, I can see how many clicks I can have for the past 30 days. Okay guys, so if I just scroll by like clicks, you can see I don't want a lot, but I have 44 like clicks. So those are people who read my pins and they are interested with them and they just click on them. So you're gonna ask me, Mr. Vanel, how can that benefit me to have this type of people who are gonna engage to my affiliate offer? I know that you don't have money, guys. If so far you find value, guys, comment down below, say I find value and I'm gonna try this method. So, and this channel will always bring you free traffic method to make money on Clickbank. So let me show you. If I go right now on, if I go to Pinterest, the home feed, and I'm gonna type make money online, I'm gonna show you how I did this. You can see I can just click save, and when I click save I can choose one of any of the board that I have right here. You can see John Crestani affiliate marketing. I have link about John Crestani affiliate marketing. I can just save John Crestani affiliate every one of these pins. I can save them. But what is interesting with this, let's say I choose John Crestani. Okay, let's say I choose John Crestani and I just save these pins. So a lot of pins you see right here, they have a lot of people that engage with them. So let me take anyone randomly and show you. So you see this guy put his affiliate links. So if you go to this, if you click high paying at home job to make money online, so you're gonna go to the, maybe it can be a blog post or something else. You can see a lot of people save this pin. You can see this is one example, get paid 70,000 per year. So you can see 9 comment, the affiliate link is still here. So this is the way they use. So what you will have to do, you will have to add other people's pin to your board. When you add them, people who follow these pins will see will go to your board and will see your other pins, and your other pins will have some clicks. So this is how you do it. You see, I can add all this thing to my John Crestani super affiliate system. It can be any board that you create. How you can create a board? It's easy. You see, let's say I create a pin. By the same time you create a pin, you can take any picture to create a pin. So you can go take any picture that you have and to create a pin related to this offer. So if I go, let's say I have a picture right here. Let me see if I can find this picture. It was a picture about an offer for people who need who have ED problems. Okay, wait guys, wait until I find this. Okay, so I just want to show you the way, the method. So it's up to you to use it the way you think it will be good for you guys. So I don't find the picture yet, but Just to show you the example, I'm gonna take randomly a picture and I'm gonna create a an offer. Okay, I'm gonna create one. So let's say we have this product with this traffic secret from Russell Brunson. So I can say traffic secret for traffic secret I use to have visitors per month. So someone that see this title will be very interesting to click on it. So here I'm gonna add my affiliate link. If I go to, let me go to Google and click funnel. Let me see. You can see I'm gonna go to the affiliate because I'm an affiliate for them, and let me show you guys. So you're gonna grab your affiliate link. It can be for Clickbank, for any offer. The way you see I did, you're gonna do the same thing. So you're gonna go scroll down and find the product. It was the traffic secret book. So if you click on the link for this, you're gonna grab this and send people to this traffic source. You're gonna send people to this will be the link that I'm gonna use. Okay, you can see this is the excuse me, I think I chose the wrong. Okay, this is the link where I supposed to click. Let me show you. So you're gonna do the same for any offer that you have from Clickbank, from any affiliate offer. You're gonna create pins. When you create pins, you create a board, and the board that you create, you will have to add other pins of other people who successfully have some people who add them. So you use this affiliate links, and I go here and I just pass this affiliate link right here, and I can say I have to create a new board. I already have board, but I will create a new board that I'm gonna name uh, free traffic source. So I'm gonna name this free traffic source. So anyone who comes in this, they will be interesting to see what is inside. So when I create the board, you can see the board is being created and my pin is ready. So if I go to this, let me see my pin. You see this is the pin inside of the board. You can see my link, my affiliate link right here. So if someone come to this board and they click right here, they're gonna go to the offer. So when they go to the offer, if they end up buying something, I will make money. So how I drive people to go to my board. So one things I do, I will go right here. You will see I will have some ID like this. Okay, so I will keep adding all these IDs, okay, that I have like this to my new board, which is the free traffic source. I will keep adding them to my free traffic source. Okay, this is the method. You're gonna have a lot of people who already follow these pins that gonna see your board and will see the affiliate you have inside of this. So you will keep doing this. Add uh, enough pins that you can, because you will need this pin to make your pin appear on search. When people who follow this pin see yours, they're gonna click on yours, guys. This is how you do things, guys. So I keep adding a few ones just to show you, but the last thing as the bonus that I have for you, you're gonna have to go, let me go to the this and show you clicks that I have from my pins. So you can see I have a lot of people who visit this. So you can see for this one, I have 2 clicks. It is an affiliate link. You can see, let me show you. This is a pin that I create. Earn $50 per day on Pinterest doing nothing using Clickbank. So people click on this. I have 2 clicks for the past 30 days. So you can have a lot of clicks for every pin that you create. I have only 23 people who will see this pin. So if anyone click on this, they're gonna go to a landing page that's gonna send them to earn per day online doing nothing on Clickbank. If they click, they're gonna go to the offer of Clickbank, which is the Clickbank University offer, which I'm promoting right now. So guys, this is how you use this free traffic source, which is Pinterest. So Pinterest will give you a lot of clicks for free. You will keep creating pins and creating boards, add other people's pin to your pin, to your board, and people will keep clicking on your pin. So let's give you this last overview, and let's filter this by link clicks, and I'm gonna see which post receive more link clicks. So I can see this is for the impression. Let me do this for the top pins for click. Let me try this link clicks top pin. Okay, I can see this one. Okay, this is pin from someone else, but this one is for me. So let's see which one received more like clicks. So you can see this one receive. This is a Rolex product. If someone end up buying, I will make 4% of the price of this Rolex. You can see when I promote those are products from Amazon Associate. So you can promote them according to Pinterest. They want you to promote them, so it is marketing. I understand them. So let's say I click on this. This is the pin. This pin received 3 like clicks. For the past 30 days, this pin received more than 1,000 views. So it is from Amazon. If someone click, they're gonna go to my Amazon associate offer. So which is how I will make money. You can see this is the reference information for this product, which is the uh, SEN. So if someone buy this, you can see the price $23,000. I will earn 4% of this. So I use Pinterest to drive traffic to my offer because I know that I can make a lot of money from all my affiliate links. So guys, I hope this video can be so interesting for you. One thing you will have to do, comment down below, let me know that you're gonna try this strategy, because every strategy that I give them for free, and I want you to use them. You don't have to pay to learn how to make money online. Take your time, watch video like my videos, and learn properly how to make money online. It was your boy Vanel. Bye bye.